good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching me from today. This is Best Blessing your side again. I want to just throw a little bit light on how I make my morning drink aloe vera. Okay, so you guys can see, if you fillet, yeah, pure fillet pure. Okay, this is what I'm going to use. I will use one of it. I have two cucumber here. I have 2 lemon. I have ginger, and I have my pineapple here, which I have already washed and peeled, the one I'm going to use in this recipe. I have boiled the water from the peel. I really want to achieve a flat tummy, a little bit to burn my fat in my stomach area. Okay, so I have peeled the pineapple and I bring out the pineapple water, and the inside pineapple we are going to be using the whole of it, okay, which I'm going to come in and show you. I'm going to peel this. I'm going to just scrape the back of the lemon. I will not do that in ginger. I will just slice the ginger. I will peel cucumber back because I don't want it to be green. Okay, thank you, and enjoy the video. As you guys can see, I have already prepared aloe vera. This is my aloe vera fillet here, and this is my lemon. I have diced the lemon, and this is my ginger. I have diced the ginger. I choose to peel the back. Okay, it's optional. Okay, so I have peeled my pineapple, and this is it now. 1 pineapple. In this jar, I have 2 cups of boiled pineapple skin, and I have my cucumber here. This lemon, you can choose to put the juice. Okay, I am blending it all together. Okay, with this leaf. Okay, my blender here. So I will be adding all the things I've mentioned. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for watching. This is the outcome of it, and you can save this drink. You can actually drink it like this. It depends on how you like your drinks to be. Me, I would take this one today like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and turn up the notification bell for more information. Okay, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Bye bye for now from Best Bless. God bless you.